Hey everyone, I'm Kayla.
And I'm Cody.
And we're here from the Big Idea Experience at the Science Station to see how this month's big idea can change the world around you. Hey everyone, and welcome to another edition of Science Station. Cody and I will be your hosts for today about our segment all about cooperation, which is working together to do more than you can do alone. The animal is the ant, and the color is orange. So here we are, and we have everything we need for our experiment.
That's right.
So let's get to our experiment. All right, so first you take your hydrogen peroxide, which is H2O2, and that means that there's 2 molecules of hydrogen and 2 molecules of oxygen. So water is H2O, which means that's kind of important because hydrogen peroxide has an extra oxygen molecule, which wants to release. So for our purposes today, we're going to let the oxygen represent our potential. And there's potential all around us, and we want for it to change, and we want to maximize it. We just have to release it. Okay, you can go ahead and put the half cup of hydrogen peroxide in our flask here. And so for those of you following along at class or at home, let's go to step 2.
Okay, so let's see. Now we've got dish soap here, right? So what's this for?
This dish soap represents making smart decisions and treating others right. This is the good things we want to have happen in our homes and schools and communities.
Oh, okay.
You can just put a good amount in the flask here, and then we'll go to step 3.
Okay, so just squirt it like this?
Right. So finally, we take our food coloring, and you can have as much fun with this as possible. And since our color is orange, we're going to take this yellowish red color and put it in, and let's see what a little cooperation can get us.
All right, let's put a lot of it in. I like food coloring.
So now it's time for step 4. So you take your 3 tablespoons of warm water and then 1 tablespoon of yeast, and you mix it together, and that's our catalyst. Now remember, in chemistry, that's something that accelerates or speeds up a chemical change. So like I said, our hydrogen peroxide is wanting to lose that extra oxygen molecule, and it will over time, but if we speed that up and make it exciting, it'll be sort of like cooperation.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so can we get a drum roll to see what that looks like when we put our big idea to work inside of us to change the world around us? 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, here it goes, people.
And it's gonna expand.
And here it comes. Wait for it. And here it goes. Oh man, that's so cool.
Oh,
look, it's
right,
just piling
so
out of the
awesome.
top. Michaela, that was really great. But you know how the Big Idea Experience rolls, right? We go to a lot of schools, right?
Right.
And in those schools, there's a lot of kids there. What would happen if all of those schools put the Big Idea into practice? What would that look like? All right, guys. Well, we are outside where we're going to be doing cooperation on a grander scale. Now, this is really cool because this time I've got some really sweet hydrogen peroxide. That's 30%. That's right, 10 times as potent as the stuff we were using earlier.
Yeah, that's right. And this time, to be extra safe, because this stuff is pretty strong, we put it on our gloves and our aprons.
That's right. And you should put your glasses on too, because that would be really good. And I learned the hard way last time, wear gloves. So we've got a new catalyst this time, right?
Right. Okay, so right now we're using potassium iodide instead of yeast, but the principle is still the same.
All right. Now,
So
remember, people, this is representing what happens when everybody in your schools cooperates.
All right, so
All right,
ready?
drum roll.
3, 2,
2,
1.
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Whoa! Whoa! That's awesome!
Oh my goodness.
Look at all the smoke coming off of it. Yeah, that's why you want gloves. Oh man, that was
awesome.
cool. I mean, it was pretty cool, but
Okay, Cody, what are you talking about? This was amazing.
okay. I mean, this is what happens when all of our schools put in cooperation into practice.
Right.
But I mean, the big idea is even bigger than that. There's people all over the world practicing cooperation. I mean, there's people in the Philippines and Macedonia, which quite honestly I thought was a cookie, but apparently it's a country.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't know, Cody. I mean, what do you mean?
Okay. Well, I'm thinking let's make this bigger. Okay.
Okay.
All right, people. Here we go again, but this time we've got way more stuff. All right. Here we go. Here goes the catalyst. And 3, 2, 1,
go.
And here it goes.
And
Wow, look at all that potential. Oh, man.
Oh,
that
it's
is
going all
some good
over the
elephant
place.
toothpaste right there. Look at all the heat that's coming off of this from all the oxygen
That
being
is
released,
awesome.
Michaela.
And this is what it looks like with cooperation.
That's right, kids. So remember, cooperation is working together
To do more than you can do alone.
Please don't copy me.